So we just launched our brand new weight loss company, and in this video I'm going to take you step by step through the process in vlog format. Hey, I'm real excited to share these next series of videos with you, which will all be in vlog format. First of all, if you're new to this channel, I'll introduce myself first. My name is Dr. Matthew Nussi. I'm a chiropractic physician. My specialty is in functional nutrition and weight management issues, weight loss, which is primarily what my practice focuses on now. You'll also see in the videos my wife and my partner, my business partner, Nicole. She's a certified personal trainer and her specialty is in weight management issues. So together we've launched this new venture, this new company. We formulated our own products, wrote our own program, and we kind of vlogged along the way every step from the logo design to the formulation of the products, designing the manual that goes with it, all these different steps. We just wanted to kind of show you every step of the way. And again, these are all in vlog format, so I hope you enjoy. Hey, so it's Saturday afternoon, and in Cincinnati it's about 30 degrees out, so we're stuck inside. And we decided to start working on the logo for the new business, for the new company. And I just kind of wanted to show you our progress, what we've been thinking of, a couple design ideas that we have, and the websites that we've been using to design it. So I'm going to flip you around here. That's one of the ideas there. And here's the other. And we kind of are going back and forth as far as which ones we like at which time. We'll make a tweak to one, and then we'll like that one, and then we'll go back and make a tweak to the other one, and then we'll decide we like that one. So we've been going back and forth, and I don't even know if either one of these are going to be the final logo, but I just kind of wanted to give you an idea of the process that we're going through. And then also the websites. For this one, we're using a website called Logo Joy, and then for this one we're using a site called Logo Genie. Both seem to be doing a pretty good job. They have a lot of options, being able to change the font and the and being able to change the symbols and things like that. So we're going to keep working on this thing and see where we get, and then once we get a finalized version, we'll be able to show that to you. So after a few hours of work, we have decided on a logo. It's bought, it's paid for, so we're locked in. We just want to kind of show you what it looks like, and we got a whole bunch of different variants of it as well. So Nicole's going to kind of walk you through them here.
Yeah, super excited about the new logo. Working together as a team here, we found one that we both agreed upon. And here it is, brand new Weight Loss and Overdrive. So as you can see here, we went with the green and orange color palette. Of course, green because growth and natural, very healthy, and same with orange. The orange there, new, bright. That's what we're looking for with our program. So that is the version you'll most likely see most of the time. We also have it in black and white grayscale. So when we either do certain materials or prints and things, it becomes easier for us to publish. That's a pretty fancy one there. Most likely will be a sign for us at some point. So we are super, super excited about this and getting out there and doing our branding efforts. So that's it.
Hey guys, so pretty exciting day today. We're actually sitting in the parking lot of the graphic designer / printer that's going to be working on our manual. I've got a meeting in about 2 minutes actually with them to kind of finalize the layout and the design of the manual. We just finished up the content and editing everything a little earlier this week. So I'll give you a look kind of at the building. pretty nondescript. We're actually around the back. I don't think I'm going to be filming any of the meeting. That might be a little awkward, but I will definitely give you an update once we get out and let you know how everything goes. Hey, so just a quick update video on the manual printing process that we're going through. The last little update I filmed, which I'm not sure if I am going to include in this or not, we filmed outside. It was really windy and the camera was kind of bouncing around. So I just wanted to re-update you through this video on the printing design, graphic design process. We're working with a lady named Jamie. She works out of a company called Alpha Graphics, which I think is a national company. It might just be a franchise, northern part of Cincinnati. She was really cool about the whole process. She seems to know what she's doing. Says we already have the layout pretty much done. So within a couple of weeks, we should have a finished product. We still have to get her the finalized copy. We got a couple edits to make still, but it looks like it's coming along. It looks super neat what she's going to do with it. I'm really excited to show everybody kind of the finished product. I'm really excited to see the finished product myself. So is Nicole. So in a few weeks, we should be able to get an update. Until then, we'll just keep you updated on the process. Hey everybody, just a quick update here on two things we've been working on. One is the website, and two is we just finalized the formulation of all of the products that we're going to be using, and we just got finalized labels as well. So I just wanted to show you the labels before we get the products in. And again, sorry for the little bit of formality. I'm actually heading to do a lecture here in a little bit, so that's why the shirt and tie for today. We're at the home office today, and the first thing I'm going to show you is the website. So we've been working on this ever since we got the logo finished. That's kind of the front page, and then if you scroll down, this will probably end up being a kind of a welcome video, me explaining about the process and the products and you know, the whole program. But right now I've just got the maintaining weight loss video that I put up on YouTube a few weeks back. A little bit about our products, about me, about the program as a whole. My book, which is for sale now on the website as well as on Amazon. And then just our kind of general location here at the bottom. There's also a media section, some of the videos that I've put up previously, a lecture that I've done. You know, I was on Fox 19 News once, some testimonials on here, different people. That's a completely separate section. And then we've also got a members only section. So this is where you would have to sign in if you were part of the program. You would sign in, you'd be able to have access to all of the recipes and diet planning processes, grocery lists, all that kind of stuff, as well as step-by-step instructional videos. So you not only get a manual with the program now, you also get a video series explaining in detail how to do everything. Every step of the program, what happens when you hit a plateau, what happens you know, when different issues come up, what you do about them, question and answer session, all that kind of stuff. So that's basically the website. The other thing we've been working on, like I said, is the labeling for the products that we actually just got finalized. So I just want to show you a couple of the labels, just because I think that's was a neat process to go through as well. So let me get out of here. And we use a few different products. I'll just show you a couple. This is the label for the raspberry ketone drops that we use. This is really good stuff. We just got finished formulating with the suggested usage, which we had to go back and forth with the lab a little bit on because it would change the serving sizes and this, that, and the other thing. But we finally got that settled. So these are basically going to print now. And then I'll show you one more. We've got our own multivitamin now, which we have actually formulated for males and for females because of the difference between the two. So we just got this finalized as well. And so these are going to print, and they're telling us within a couple weeks we should actually have products delivered. So again, exciting stuff. We're just kind of moving along here in the process. This is probably we're probably at the end kind of stage of getting everything together, and we're going to do a whole nother video series on kind of opening up the product, showing you the finalized manual, the finalized nutritional supplements, the promo materials that we've gotten ordered as well, just kind of all of it. So just wanted to kind of, again, give you another quick update. I am off to go do this lecture now, so we'll catch you next time. Hey, Dr. Nussi here again with the final update on the vlog series that we've been doing about the process that we've been going through on starting this new venture, this new weight loss supplement company. I hope you've enjoyed these videos. We've really enjoyed making them. I think it's neat just to kind of show you the behind the scenes process at the different places, the different meetings that we're going to. Just kind of pull the curtain back a little bit and just show you the process. So we're really excited about the program. I think we've really got it dialed in. I think it's going to be real successful, real beneficial to a lot of people. So in the next video series, we're going to actually, once we get all the products in, we're just going to open those up on camera as well and just kind of show you the final results. Again, just a little bit more behind the scenes stuff about the process that we've been going through. So again, I hope you've enjoyed it. We're really excited. That's it for this video series, this vlog series. If you could, let me know in the comment section below if you like this style of video. I mean, usually I'm just kind of up here talking about a specific subject, or in the office talking about a specific subject, kind of lecturing a little bit. I like kind of getting out and doing different things, and we want to do more of that if that's something that people enjoy. So if you liked it, give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment, tell me to do more of these kind of videos. And until next time, stay happy, stay healthy, and I'll catch you in the next one.